We'd like to welcome you to P.A.C.K, People of Action Caring for Kids.
Hi, I'm Wright, a member of St. John's Church, and we're here at P.A.C, where these nice ladies behind us are packing bags for food for children in the Chatham County area that don't get enough to eat. And a lot of people ask me, well, Rick, why don't social services take care of things like this? And the answer was stunning to me when I heard it. The answer is social service does none of this. They don't give away any clothing, they don't have any food, and in emergency situations they have no plans for anything to do. All they do is write checks and administer programs. So let's take a look around. And out front we saw the ladies packing the bags, and these bags go into these carts and they're pushed back here. You can see behind me, these are the food products that come in and get set up to be sent out. And then we have the large garage door, if you will, that goes out to vans, and volunteers take this throughout the county to different places to be dropped off and distributed. And by the way, we do need some van drivers. If you can drive, it's about an hour a week. You need to be able to do it the same time period each and every week. Let's go take a look at the shopping center. And here we are at the P.A.C boutique, a store, and let's take a look inside. But imagine if you're a foster child and the world, your world is just not going the way that we think our world goes on a daily basis. And so you're brought into this environment and you're allowed to shop with a personal shopper, and there were opportunities for members of St. John's Church to do this. And I want to turn around and show you this, but as you come in, many of you probably did this as a child, or you did this for your children, where the children come in and they get measured. And then they come back next year and they get measured again. And so it's just an opportunity to let them be treated a little differently than they have been in maybe the foster care system. And then the other thing I want to point out is when we look at this clothing, all of this clothing is brand new. All this program does is get new clothing, because again, the foster children typically are given hand-me-downs, the last things, and so to get new things. And then we have back here, I love this part, there's a shoe company that has been donating these so that the children can get a brand new pair of special tennis shoes or other shoes for their use. Back here we have the toy closet. And again, this is for people in dire need. And then over here we have toiletries for different sizes. This is a toddler boys toiletry kit. And here we have a toddler girls toiletry kit. And again, this isn't to take care of all their needs, but it's to give them that special gift of something new, something that says somebody out there thinks that you are a child of God, and that you are to be treated like the rest of us should be treated. If you'd like to get more information on P.A.C, or volunteering for P.A.C, or supporting P.A.C, contact me with the information below. And on July 11th, immediately following the 11 o'clock service, we've got a very exciting opportunity to work in Cramner Hall for the P.A.C program, where we're going to be doing things for back-to-school backpacks for the children at Urban Hope. We're very excited about being able to help out both of those, because, as you probably are aware, the Urban Hope was impacted by COVID just like everybody else. So I look forward to talking to you about P.A.C.